Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to generate e-way bill online using TallyPrime for movement of goods valuing more than Rs 50,000 or as prescribed by each state. Before exchanging transactions with the portal for e-way bill generation, ensure that they have the necessary e-way bill details and no missing or uncertain information. In TallyPrime, you can exchange e-way bill information with the e-way bill system while saving the voucher to generate the e-way bill. Alternatively, you can generate the e-way bill through the exchange menu. Before generating e-way bill, ensure that you have completed the one-time setup for e-way bill in TallyPrime. Let's see how to generate e-way bill while saving the voucher. Open a sales voucher. Ensure that you are either in the item invoice mode or in the as voucher mode. Enter the party ledger. In the dispatch details screen, enter the required details in the respective fields as applicable. In the party details screen, ensure that the party details are correct as required for the e-way bill generation. Now, select Sales Ledger and press Enter. Select the stock item and enter details like quantity, rate, and amount. Select the required tax ledgers CGST and SGST for intrastate and IGST for interstate. Set Provide GST e-way bill details to Yes. The additional details Sales Taxable screen appears. Under the consignor details, from the details such as mailing name, GSTIN or UIN, address and PIN code will be prefilled as per your company details. Under the consignee details, too, the details such as mailing name, GSTIN or UIN, address and PIN code will be prefilled as per your party ledger details. To calculate pin-to-pin distance as per portal, press Alt-L. You can also leave the field blank. After the exchange of e-way bill with the portal, TallyPrime will automatically fetch the distance and print in the e-way bill. Select the transporter name from the list of ledger accounts. You can set it as none if you are transporting the goods using your own or hired vehicle or by railways, air, or ship. Enter the transporter ID provided by the transporter. Thereafter, you can provide the Part B details if you have the relevant information with you and want to send Part B details along with Part A. You need either transporter ID or Part B details to generate e-way bill. If you don't have a transporter ID, updating the Part B details is mandatory. Dispatch from and ship to will be prefilled based on the address provided in the company and party ledger respectively. Under Mode, select from the list of modes. Let's select Road. Now, enter vehicle number and date and select vehicle type. Enter the narration if needed. Press Ctrl A to save and you will get a confirmation screen for e-way bill generation. Press Y to accept. As you can see, TallyPrime is exchanging information with the e-way bill system. As the exchange of information completes, a confirmation message appears. Now, let's see how to send transactions to the portal for e-way bill generation from the exchange menu from TallyPrime. Press Alt-Z and select Send for e-way bill. In the Send for e-way bill report, press Space Bar to select one or more transactions under For e-way bill generation section. Press S to generate e-way bill online. You will get a confirmation screen for e-way bill generation. Press Y to accept. As you can see, TallyPrime is exchanging information with the e-way bill system. When the exchange of information completes, a confirmation message appears. As you saw, with TallyPrime, you have a seamless online process for e-way bill generation with all the e-way bill details. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.